If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. So today's recipe is going to be paneer sandwich, and paneer is like one of our favorite veggie protein, and we always fight over paneer whenever we have paneer at home. So anyway, this time we decided to go with like a paneer sandwich, and that is why I wanted to show it to you guys, share it with you guys. This is an amazing recipe, a very simple recipe and a very delicious recipe. So let me just go ahead and show you the ingredients so that we can start cooking it. Okay, first thing first, you need 4 slices of white bread. So you can go ahead and use any bread you want. We are using white bread here, and this is a mixture of hot and sweet ketchup and mayonnaise. So I just mix it up, and this is a very delicious sauce, like when you mix it together. And in here I have some sliced cucumber, tomato and onion, and I have some cottage cheese sliced up over here. And also let me tell you that cottage cheese is a very famous veggie protein in India, so everybody uses it for so many other dishes. And if you don't know how to make veggie like this cottage cheese, there's a recipe in my channel. I will give the link in the description box below so that you guys can check it out. And in here I have some salt, paprika and garam masala, and this is a mixture of herb butter. So it has herbs like parsley and garlic and butter and all that stuff, and everything, like the entire recipe will be in the description box below, so you can check it out, ingredients and direction and everything. I have a thong over here. I have a brush to brush my cottage cheese, and I have a panini grill right here where I'm gonna grill the sandwich. So let's get started and show you what I'm gonna do first. Okay, first thing, my panini press is preheating at 425, and it's gonna let it preheat. Meanwhile, what we are going to do, we are going to take this spice mixture and add it to our butter mixture and give it a mix. Just mix it slightly, nothing too much, and then I'm going to take this mixture and brush it here onto my paneer on both the sides until they're nicely coated. Now I'm going to flip them and do it the other side. Whoops. Well, hand is always the best tool. Now I'll just spread this entire mixture at this side. And once this is done, I'm going to grill it, and it's gonna have a very nice grilled smoky flavor. If you have a grill outside, you can definitely do this outside in your patio. We don't have a grill outside, like a barbecue grill outside, so we always do it inside here. But yeah, it's still going to taste amazing, and it's gonna have a lot of flavor. So this looks absolutely delicious to me. And now as soon as this is ready, I'm gonna place them here and cook them up. Okay, so my grill is ready, and I'm just gonna place every single piece right here, like so. Do you hear that sizzle? That is what you want. Now I'm just gonna close the lid and give it like 3 to 4 minutes, and this will be done. And in the meantime, we are gonna prep our bread slices here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this mayonnaise and ketchup mixture and spread it all over the bread slice. It smells amazing right now because of this thing going on in here. So now I'm just gonna place all of these onion, tomato and cucumber on 2 of the slices, and then I'll top it with the paneer and cover it up with this slice, and again grill it here, and this will be ready. So let's do that. So my paneer is done, and my god, look at the color. Let me give you guys a closer look because you don't want to miss this. Look at this sizzling. Oh my god, it looks delicious. So I'm gonna take every single piece out here. Oh my god, I could just take this entire slice and eat it as it is. You know, I don't really want, you don't really have to add it to anything. Like, they look delicious. I mean, you cannot even tell the difference that they were not done like an outside grill. Wow. And you want the butter to be here, so don't clean it up or anything, because we're gonna put the entire sandwich here and then cook it up again. So this is how it looks after placing the onion, tomato and cucumber. And now I'm just gonna pick up all these pieces. I'm gonna try to use my hand here. Oh my god. They look delicious. And finally, I'm gonna close this up like so. And take this entire sandwich and keep it right here. Do the same with the other one. Keep it right here. And now I'm just gonna close it, and another 2 to 3 minutes and this beauty will be ready. So guys, sandwich is ready. Look at this beauty. Let me give you a closer look. Right here. Oh my god, look at the sandwich. They are nice and crispy. And I'm going to cut them, and I'll show you how I serve them in a bit. Okay guys, sandwich is ready. I just cut it in half, and look at this, delicious. Oh my god, they smell amazing right now. So let's do the taste testing and we'll see how it is. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. I can smell it, but still for you guys. Oh my god. It is hot, but it is so good. Oh my god, everything is blending in so nicely. It tastes amazing. You guys have to try it. It's definitely the best grilled paneer sandwich you'll ever eat. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like my recipes. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.